Today let's talk about the iPhone SE. So you have already know iOS 15.5 has been released to the public last night, and you may wonder what are the new features and what are changes. So now I'm gonna focus on iPhone SE. The iPhone SE has been around for a while, and now it has been 6 years. We know that iOS 16 may not support iPhone SE, and so I think maybe perhaps this is the last version for iPhone SE. For iOS 15, so 15.5. But for this version, it also improved such as Apple Card, Apple Podcast, and other features as well. So Apple Card, now you will be able to send or request from your friend or family, and on Apple Podcast, it is going to be automatically delete the episode that you have already watched. And overall, I have already updated my iPhone SE to 15.5. I think that the performance is still remain the same compared to the previous version that I have already used. And so jumping from one app to the other, there is no issues at all. So if you own the older iPhone SE, if you have like a battery drain, I think you may update to 15.5 to fix those, because I heard that some of you complain related to a battery drain. It like the battery drain very fast on the previous version, so maybe update to 15.5 will be fix this that issues. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.